Hi, this is Mama Maths. IMC 2020 Intermediate Mathematical Challenge of Ukmt. Let's start with number 16. As a decimal, what is the value of 1 over 9 plus 1 over 11? Okay, if you're familiar with recurring fractions or recurring decimals, if you have 1 over 9, this is equivalent to 1, 0.1, dot, dot. And if it's like 1 over 99, this is equivalent to 0.01, dot, dot. So basically that's 0.0101 and so on. So basically, if you have a 99 denominator, whatever your numerator is, like for example, 20, it will be 0.20, dot, dot. So let's relate this to. Can we write it in the form with 99 in the denominator? And the answer is yes. So for example, the 1 over 9, we can multiply 11 over 11. So that's basically 11 over 99. 1 over 11, we can multiply 9 over 9. So that's 9 over 99. If we add this 2, that's equivalent to 20 over 99. And we know that. That's 0.20 repeating. So the answer is E. Okay? Next, question number 17. The knave of hearts stole some tarts. He ate half of them and half a tart more. Okay, let's say the knave of hearts stole X tarts. So he ate of them and he stole half of them, rather. Now, and half a tart more. So whatever's left is minus half. So 1/2 X minus a half. The knave of diamonds ate half of what's left and half a tart more. So it's the same. So this is what's left from the hearts. So we multiply a half here and then subtract a half more. Knave of clubs ate half of what remained and half a tart more. So it's the same. Multiply again a half for whatever is remaining and minus a half. This just one tart for the knave of spades. Okay, so this is equivalent to 1. Now, if we rearrange this, it's a half, half, half x minus half, minus half. Let's put it here, so that's 3 halves. Now, if you multiply by 2, so that's equal to 3. Now, we have a half more, so 1/2 x minus half. 3 plus a half, that's 4.5. Oh no, it's not. 7.5. 7.5. So multiply by 2. And then a half more. So that's 1/2 x equal to 7 plus a half. That's 15 over 2. So the answer will be 15. Okay. Next question. Question number 18. The diagram shows an isosceles right-angle triangle which has an hypotenuse of length y. The interior of the triangle is split up into the identical squares and congruent isosceles right-angle triangles. What is the total shaded area inside the triangle? So let's count the square first. We have 4 shaded ones. And for the white ones, we also have 1, 2. This will be 3. This will be 4. So basically, 1/2 of the triangle are shaded. Now, what will be the area of this triangle? So we need the area, 1/2 base times height. However, we don't know what that is. We need to write it in terms of y. So let's say the sides are x. So we know x squared plus x squared equal to y squared. This is based on the Pythagorean theorem. So this is basically 2x squared equal to y squared. So y can be written as, or we need the x rather. We need the x. X is equal to square root of y squared over 2, or y over root 2. So if we're going to multiply here, 1/2 base on side, so that's the same. X squared, so basically that's y squared over 2. So that is y squared over 4. Now, since we only need the half of the triangle that are shaded, the answer will now be y squared over 8. So the answer is C. Okay. Question number 19. The diagram shows two squares, 4 equal semicircles. The edges of the outer square have length 48, and the inner square joins the midpoints of the edges of the outer square. Each semicircle touches two edges of the outer square, and the diameter of each semicircle is along the edge of the inner square. What is the radius of each semicircle? So basically, if you have this one, this one, this one, this one, this is 24, this is also 24. And eventually, if you put in another part here, let's say that way, because this will be just a smaller part and the smaller part of this bigger right triangle. So this means this is a square. And if it's like this, then this side is also half of 24. So basically this is 12. So the answer is B. That's 12. Okay. Question number 20. For any fixed value of x, which of the following four expressions has the largest value? We have x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus a half, x minus a half, x plus 3, 1/3, x minus 1/3, x plus a fourth, and x minus 1/4. Basically, these are difference of two squares. So basically, if you have a plus b, a minus b, this is the same as a squared minus b squared. So each of this is in the form x squared minus a squared. So this one, we have x squared minus 1, x squared minus 1/4, x squared minus 1/9, and x squared minus 1/16. So basically, the largest value is the one with the least subtraction. So that's letter D. Okay?